we are going to study about heterogeneous mixture. For example, students, if I give you a beaker filled with water, you put some sand into it. Will you be able to see the sand? Yes, because it's a heterogeneous mixture. You'll be able to see sand and water separately forming two layers. So that is why we call it as heterogeneous mixture. You can separate it also. You filter it, sand will come on the filter paper and water will go down. So that is why we are calling it as a mixture. Moving on further, students, we will do one activity. Take these things with you: camphor, blue vitriol, washing soda, urea, glucose and sugar. Now students, try to heat these substances one by one on the china dish. After some time, you will observe that in case of camphor, urea, glucose and sugar, there is a black deposit which is being left. This black deposit is of carbon. So we can call these substances as organic compounds. But in case of washing soda and blue vitriol, they will simply decompose. You won't see a black deposit. So we call these substances as inorganic compounds.